we're starting with the chasing the sun counterclockwise here. 1 and 2 and 3. And then on the fourth one, we're going to come up and over into the weave. And then I think we did the weave fountain 4 times here. Around 1 with this height change, and 2 and 3 and 4. And then on this fourth one, you come up to the pinwheel, and then we're going to plane shift the pinwheel down, and then go into together time, and then it's going to be a tap, and up and tap. And you'll notice I'm doing a step tap with my feet. So we didn't actually talk about this, but now that you're getting more comfortable with the combo, this is a stylization you can add when you go to a park or someplace where you have more space than you do right now. Boom, then step together, step out, and tap. Step together, step out, and tap. Step together, step out, and tap. And so that way you can add, like, you could just do the footwork perfunctory like this, or you could add a little hip sass if you're ready for the hip sass as well, so that you can add a style in. Starting again from the pinwheel, we came out of the weave fountain. We're in the pinwheel, plane shift it down into the corkscrew, make it together time, and then we're gonna step and tap, step together, step and tap, step together, step and tap, step together, step and tap. Now turn to the left, come down and around, step and tap. Up and around and down, step and tap. Up and around and down, step and tap. Last time to the right. Now we're gonna add the jump as we come around. Add the jump as we come around, which I don't think you have much room for in your kitchen, but you can fake it. And then we come back to the right, and then from here, come into your underhand, wrap it up, bring it into your buzzsaw, plane shift it down onto the left hand, turn that into the counterclockwise corkscrew, and then we're gonna turn and do our separation and come back together and separate, come back together, separate, come back together, and then bring it in front of you, and then you're in together time, and then you're in together time, and then you go down and tap, and up and 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 down and tap. Yeah, yes. Go 5, 6, 7, and up and over, and pull it back. Up and over, pull it back. Up and over, pull it back. Now on this fourth one, come down to the left, go into overhand weave on the left. Then you're gonna fountain immediately, and around. Second time fountain, and around. Third time fountain, and around. And fourth time fountain up to the pinwheel up top. And then we're gonna plane shift it down to your corkscrew. Together time and step and tap, up and over, step and tap, step together, step and tap, up and over, step and tap. Now turn, around, down, tap, turn, around, down, tap, turn, around, down, tap, turn, around, down, tap, add the jump, boom, boom, and to the other side, boom, boom, and to the other side, boom, boom. Last time going to the right, boom, boom, turn to the right, come into underhand, wrap it up, come into the buzzsaw, plane shift it down to counterclockwise, make it the counterclockwise corkscrew, small, and then we're turning, and we're opening it and closing it, and opening it and closing it, opening it, closing it, facing the front, make it together time, and tap, above, tap, above, tap, above, tap, above. 5, 6, 7, and chase the sun. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Down on the left into overhand weave and fountain. 1, and 2, and third time through. And now when we come down and across and up, come into the pinwheel up top. And now from the pinwheel, plane shift it down into your corkscrew. Together time, and left step tap, up and over, right step tap, up and over, left step tap, up and over, right step tap. Now we're gonna add the turn, come around, down, and tap, up, over, around, and down, and tap on the right. Up and over, round and down, tap on the left. Last time tapping on the right. Now we add the jump when we turn. Boom, boom, and left. Boom, boom, tap right. Boom, boom, tap left. Boom, boom, tap right, mountain underhand on the right side, wrap it up, put it in the buzzsaw, plane shift it down onto the left arm, make it the counterclockwise corkscrew, open it up, and you're turning as you're coming together and separating, and then you come to your front and make it together time, and then tap and up and tap and up and tap and up and tap and up and down. Woo! Chase the sun in 5, 6, 7, 8. And first time, keep it slow. Second time, still slow. Third time. And now this fourth time, come down on the left into overhand weave and immediately go into your fountain. And then your second fountain. And then we're going to come up to the third fountain. And now this next time in the fourth fountain, remember you come up to the pinwheel. Then we're going to plane shift the pinwheel down into that corkscrew, make it together time, and then step and tap left, step together, step, tap right, step together, step, tap left, step together, step, tap right. Now add the turn, around, down, and tap. Turn, around, down, tap. Turn, around, down, tap. Last time to the right. And now add your jump. And go to the right. Second time left, and second time right. And now underhand on the right, wrap it up, come into your buzzsaw, plane shift it down to your horizontal buzzsaw, then go into your counterclockwise corkscrew, and then we're gonna separate, come together, separate, come together, separate, come together, come to the front, sink it up into together time, and down and tap, and up, down and tap, and up, down and tap, and up, down and tap, and woo!